Hey everybody, CB350F here. So we're back working on the 354. Today we're gonna get the wiring harness. And we got the supposedly complete wiring harness and the, I think this is for the alternator. This is the, on this guy, over here. The wiring comes from over here. And you can see that somebody took like some telephone wire or something. I don't know what it is, but I'm pretty sure that this goes back inside of there and comes over here. So we're gonna try and get this thing back running. I think the first thing to do is hook up the starter solenoid and the battery again, and we'll just see if we can get this thing to crank over. I think maybe it was just a dead battery. We ran it, so maybe the alternator, isn't working and wasn't charging the battery. So when I went to go push the horn, it used up what was left of the battery. That's what I'm thinking. So that's where we're gonna start. So let's follow us along and we'll see what we can get done, all right? All right, everybody, we're gonna tear into this thing here. Get the, I think, Velcro. Right. Let's see. Oh, wow. Free roll of Chinese electrical tape. Great. Throw that away. All right, so I think maybe the first thing we ought to do is let's check the battery. We got it charging. Let's see what it says here. Hmm, 13 volts. Hey. Maybe what I'm gonna do is maybe we kind of put this back together real quick. I got the starter solenoid. Just gonna put this back here and hook it up and see if we can get it to kick off. Hopefully it's just the battery, and then we kind of start from a known point. We can go from there. So let's do that. Let me see if we can figure this out here. I kind of pushed everything in here. Flasher. Where'd this ground go? That's weird. I don't know what this ground is for. Maybe for the flasher relay? Oh, it's part of that harness.
Well, it goes over here, right? For that.
Well, this is a separate harness. This one comes up here for the turn signals, and I don't know. It's hard to tell. So let's find this plug. Ah, here it is. Okay. All right. And then I don't know what some of this wiring is. There's this one that's pigtailed off of here and comes over here, but it's part of this wiring harness that goes over to the alternator or whatever. So we're just gonna kind of clip that back in, and then here we go. I got this yellow with red stripe. Red stripe. And then we're going to hook up the starter here. Let's see here. So this one has to
go back to the other side where I came from. See if you can grab this wire from the other side. See it? There. There. You got it? You see it?
Oh, yeah, something like that.
All right. Is there a long enough reach? Will the battery reach over there? Okay.
Plus on my sidewalk. So.
All right. Fine. So we just need some wrenches here. All right, starter's temporarily back on. Do you have, these were held on by Allen wrenches. Do you know where the Allen wrenches are?
All right, so we're gonna see if we can get this battery back in here. See what happens. Negatives on this side. Yeah, that's a honeymoon fit right there. Seems like this isn't the right battery, or
No, that's definitely better.
oh, there we go.
The
This
number?
is a MB12U.
MB10, yeah.
There's a little swivel plate in the way here to start with. Going your home. This is, I don't like this to begin with. It's right up against the frame. I mean, I guess it's got a boot, but something here's got to change.
Now the other side.
Yeah. Where'd I put that screw?
Here, right?
Ah, there it is. All right. Seems kind of. I think it was more meant to be like on the side, although it doesn't see like that. Like, maybe it'll fit like that. I'd kind of maybe like to do that with the positive side too, but.
I mean, it looks like they gave you the option. I don't know if
Yeah.
that's-
Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's like, these are like adapters for the battery, right? It's like you can do it side terminal or top terminal.
Yeah, I think they try to make those fit a wide range of applications. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Good. Just get this rubber boot on so that we don't. Okay. All right. So let's. You got the. You got the key.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see if we can. We might have to open the door for this, but let's just even see if we got power, and so let's see if it pops off. The key only goes one way. It seems like it makes it feel like it wants to be upside down. All right, so that's red, right? Yep. Oh, and look at that, guys. Cover the light. It's a lot brighter. I have a feeling that maybe that's all it was. You want to open the garage door and we can kick this thing? Here, hang on to this. Up his choke?
Right?
Choke, right? Yeah. Run. Let's, we're in neutral. Let's see what happens if we try the starter. Nothing. Okay. Interesting. Everything should be up. That's probably why. I really hate these barrel plugs. They're no good. Oh yeah,
wow.
That's it. Oh, I forgot. It only starts when we let off the button. I don't know why that is.
I thought it was the throttle.
No. Well, no. Watch.
Wow.
Yeah, for some normally you should push a button until when it starts, then you can let off. But with this, it's like.
Wow, she lives.
Yeah. Nope, not yet. All right. Perfect. So now we know that it was just a dead battery. So we lucked out there. Let's you want to close the door? Now we can close the door and we can start because we're going to need to pull off the gas tank and drain the tank.
Oh yeah.
Right.
All right, everybody. So we got the bike running. Looks like it was just a bad battery. You can see here. I'm not gonna start it. Well, it might start. Oh no, I'll just do it without it on run. You hear that? Nice and healthy now. Everything seems to be working good, and so yeah. We're gonna start digging in. We're gonna start pulling off the tank, so we can start to get to the wiring and everything. So we'll see you in a minute. We'll get you on a time lapse here, pulling off the stuff, and we'll go from there. All right, easy. All right, everybody. So I think right now we're gonna end this here. We got the bike started. We know that it will run. That there's no major issues. We got the exhaust. I think we're gonna order some of the brackets for the exhaust because we'd like to hear that, and I think at this point we're gonna start with that, and then we'll go from there. So we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, easy.